This is one of a set of user tips for the Preactor Scheduler by Lean Scheduling International. This segment covers management of the multiple panels in the Planner's workspace. The basic workspace window opens with the Overview or Gantt chart window, and managing your views of the available panels will make your planning sessions more effective. The Sequencer main window is a multiple document interface, meaning that multiple linked sub-windows can be shown. Note the tab for the Overview or Gantt window. The other key panels that are available are available up out of the View menu, and they're the Overview window as we're seeing now, Editor window, Plot, and Trace chart. The Editor window shows us orders in a spreadsheet format. The Plot window shows us each resource with the resource load versus capacity in a chart form and through a timeline. The Trace chart window gives a view of the order by order, also in a timeline view, so we can see operation 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 along this grid axis. A common layout for a planner is to show both the Gantt and the Editor window simultaneously. So to do this, we go up into the View and select the Editor. And now that has, we can see the two tabs here. If I right-click on the tab called the Editor, I can actually create a new horizontal tab group, and I can see both the Gantt chart and the spreadsheet of each order by order together. Now my screen is set a little small just to get through this demo, but the bigger screen you have the better, because you're always fighting for real estate to get as much viewing space as possible in here. We can do this as many times as we like. We could actually order in, add a plot window in as well and create another horizontal tab group, but as you can see, we're starting to fight for real estate here. So if I close this one down, typically you're going to run with probably two panels showing at any given time. An interesting thing on the plot window is that you can grab the 0 timeline, and actually that's with the trace chart shown up in here. If I go and get rid of the overview and bring in the trace chart, which is the order by order chart, set that to be a new horizontal tab group, I can actually grab the timeline, and we can't see it in this view, but as you move through the resources, the orders that are being used at that time on the resource will highlight as we move through this item. Now there are some additional items on the left and on the right edges here. This is reports, this is the calendars. If I click on a calendar, it's going to take up a panel to the left, kind of a vertical panel alignment. And this little thumbtack tells you whether you want to auto hide it. If I now click outside of this, I do want to auto hide it. And it will put itself back, again saving real estate, so that when you click on it, it will automatically put itself away. Likewise for the reports and the listing of reports over there, you only really want them open while you're running a report. We can put them away totally and always bring them back through the menu. Now there are a couple of other panels available from the Tools menu. The primary one that you're probably familiar with is the bar tool. And now we can also move things around by dragging. So I'll just grab that tab and I'll put him over into a vertical group here. And if I'll put this away. Let me try to get him all the way over to the side. And if I can go, I'll close this unscheduled ops down. I can add a tool called Snapshot. Now Snapshot is a key performance indicator written by Lean Scheduling International, and this is used for comparative schedule analysis. Another tool is this factory viewer. And if I click this and make a new vertical tab group, this is an interface out to a factory shop floor control system. So again, you can manage this whole workspace window to whatever fits the business and tasks you're doing at hand. If you want to save this layout as a template, all you have to do is go up into the window, workspaces, save the workspace, and you can do it. And then subsequently recall that. You can set any of the templates as your starting basis, and any of them, and you can recall any of the layouts at any time. Thank you.